Happy morning, students. Today we are going to see about the civics lesson 2, the Constitution of India. Lesson 2, the Constitution of India. Learning objectives. First point, the Constitution of India. Second point, recognize the formation of our Constitution. Third point, the silent features of our Constitution. Last point, the fundamental rights and duties of the citizen of India. Students, let's see one by one. Students, when we celebrate Republic Day? Very good. 26th January we celebrate Republic Day. Why do we celebrate the Republic Day? Our Constitution was framed. Our Constitution was framed and came into existence from 26th January 1950. That is, every year we observe this day as the Republic Day. Very good. Students, why this Constitution came into existence on 26th January 1950? Very good. The Congress met at Lahore in 1929. The Congress met at Lahore in 1929. The members of the Congress unofficially declared the same day as the day of Purna Swaraj or the day of complete self-governance. The next year, 26th January 1930 was celebrated as the Independence Day. That day has been observed as our Republic Day. Next we see the Constitution. Students, what is meant by Constitution? Very good. The Constitution is an authentic document containing the basic ideas, principles and law of a country. It also defines the rights and duties of citizens. The laws governing a country originate from the Constitution. Every country is ruled on the basis of its Constitution. For example, similarly, a society is also like football team. Laws are required to govern the society. See the picture. First picture, without rules. Imagine a game without rules, all are fightings. Second picture, follow the rules. We can say that rules are the fundamental for the game to successful. Are you understand the Constitution, students? Very good. Next we see the Indian Constitution. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. The supreme law of India. It lays down the framework defining fundamental political principles, establishes the structure, procedures, powers and duties of government institutions, and sets out fundamental rights, directive principles and the duties of citizens. Next we see the frame the Constitution. In 1946, nearly 389 members of the Constituent Assembly, who belonged to different parties from different places, came together to frame the Constitution of India. The chairman of the committee was Mr. Rajendra Prasad. Next we see the members in the Constituent Assembly. Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Azad, S. Radhakrishnan, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit and Sarojini Naidu were the members in the Constituent Assembly. How many women were part of the Constituent Assembly? 15 women members were in the Constituent Assembly. Who is the father of Constitution of India? Very good. Dr. P.R. Ambedkar is the father of Constitution of India. Next we see the drafting committee. The drafting committee was formed with 8 members. How many members? 8 members. And it is chairman was B.R. Ambedkar. The drafting committee chairman B.R. Ambedkar. B.N. Rao was appointed as an advisor. B.N. Rao was advisor. The committee met for the first time on 9th December 1946. On the same day, the drafting of Constitution of India started. Students, how did they form the Indian Constitution? Very good. The Constitution of nearly 60 countries. How many countries? 60 countries including the UK, USA, USSR, France, Switzerland, etc. were truly examined and their best features have been adapted by our Constitution. Very good, students. Students, did they draft it in a short time? No. Nearly 2000 amendments were made before the draft was finalized. Very good, students. When did they complete this work? It took a period of 2 years. It took a period of 2 years, 11 months and 17 days. It took a period of 2 years, 11 months and 17 days. It was completed on 26th November 1949. The Constitution was accepted by the Constituent Assembly. So, 26th November is celebrated as the day of the Constitution. Very good, students. Next we see the preamble. Preamble means munnurai. The preference of the Constitution is the preamble. According to it, India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Students, what does it mean by sovereign? Sovereign means இறையாண்மை. The Constitution has granted the people the right to rule. The members of the Parliament and the Legislative Assembly are elected by the people. The right to decide is only in the hands of the representatives. Sovereignty refers to the ultimate power of the country. What is the meaning of secular? Secular means மதசார்பின்மைன்னு சொல்லுவோம். What is the meaning of secular? Law allows all the citizens of a country the right to follow different faith and religious beliefs. All citizens enjoy the freedom of worship. The country does not have a religion of its own. All the religions in our country hold the same status. Very good, students. Next we see the government of India rules through the parliament. Yes, the Constitution of India provides a parliamentary form of government, both at the central and the state. In a parliamentary system, the executive is collectively responsible to the legislature. The party which has the majority forms the government. Very good, students. Next we see the fundamental rights. What are the fundamental rights? Fundamental rights are the basic human rights of all citizens. Fundamental rights: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. Every Indian citizen has the right to vote when they attain 18 years of age, irrespective of any caste, religion, gender, or economic status. Like fundamental rights, every citizen will have duties too. Yes, there are duties respecting the national flag and national anthem, respect and protect of the constitution, follow our great leaders. Treating everyone as brothers irrespective of their castes, religions, languages, race, etc. To conserve our ancient heritage and conserve natural elements like forests, rivers and lakes. To develop science, humanity and feelings of reformation to avoid non-violence and protect government property. Parents and guardians providing educational opportunities to children between 6 to 14 years etc. 6 to 14 years etc. have been added as our duty. Next we see the Constitution of India book. The original copies of the Constitution of India, Hindi, English, are preserved in special helium filled cases in the library of the Parliament of India. Thank you, students.